Hey guys, so in this video I will show you how to download Minecraft PE 0.11.0 build 14. So that's the new update for now. Yeah, so what you're going to need to do is you need YouTube, then go to YouTube, then type how to download Minecraft PE 0.11. So let's type it. How to download Minecraft PE 0.11.0 build 14. Then search. After you search that, then you just have to wait for it. Then tap the first one. Now, as you can see, tap the media fire. Then you just have to wait for it. Then after that, just have to wait. Then after that, then sorry about that talking, guys. So
pero nandiyan na yung load.
So sorry about that, guys. That's the freaking guys. So yeah, so you will download it, and I already downloaded the file. As you can see right here, I downloaded the file. Go to downloads, then now as you can see, it's in here. So that, then you click package installer, then tap okay. Then I already downloaded the app, so yeah. So as I go to the Minecraft, it's kind of laggy. So now what you wanna do, you just have, so let's go home first. Let's home and go back. And now as you can see, you have to wait for it. Then now it's success. See, create a new here. Just building the terrain right here. And now you have to wait. So yeah, so that's how, guys. So see you guys. So bye.